We are placing a lot of faith in the miners we've hired, which is stressing me out a lot because we don't have time here. We've got such a short window to mine.
As a fourth-generation miner from the storied mining town of Kalgoorlie in Western Australia, Tyler Mahoney is a notable personality in the worlds of gold mining and reality television. He continues to captivate audiences and prospectors worldwide. Tyler's life is intricately linked to the quest for gold, as both he and Leigh Mahoney are prospectors who have been doing so for more than 40 years. Tyler was raised in a society where gold mining is not only a career but a way of life, and she is reminded of this every year on March 3rd, when she celebrates her birthday. After completing high school, Tyler pursued a degree in geology, which further deepened her understanding and respect for the land and its hidden treasures. Tyler's childhood revolved around her parents' gold shop, a hub of activity where nearly a ton of gold was bought and sold during its decades-long operation. This environment served as Tyler's playground in the classroom, where she absorbed the nuances of the trade that many spend a lifetime trying to master. After Tyler's parents stood back, and she joined the cast of the television show Aussie Gold Hunters, her talents gained widespread recognition. She dazzled viewers with her remarkable accuracy in pinpointing the origins of a nugget geographically. Her knowledge was not only theoretical, it was also applied, and based on years of real-world experience. In addition to increasing the show's viewership, Tyler's appearance on it also helped her gain recognition as a shrewd and competent prospector. Outside of television, Tyler is a naturally born entrepreneur who started the Prospectors Club, an endeavor that combines her love of teaching people about conventional gold mining methods. The club has expanded greatly as a result of Tyler's influence and dedication to disseminating information regarding sustainable prospecting. Tyler launched her brand and entered the fashion industry as well. Although the brand is no longer in operation, Made by Tyler, which focused on sustainable jewelry and a swimsuit line, showed off her adaptability and financial acumen. Despite her multiple accomplishments, she was able to effortlessly and confidently combine different cultures through fashion. There have been rumors and difficulties throughout Tyler's life and career, especially in relation to her personal life and her work on Gold Rush with Parker Schnabel. Due to their undeniable on-screen chemistry and sheer dedication to mining, Parker's trail sparked rumors of a romantic relationship. These rumors were further fueled by their joint appearances and the public's fascination with their dynamic. Tyler, however, has consistently emphasized that their relationship is purely professional and is centered on their shared interest in gold mining. Tyler has done incredibly well financially. His estimated net worth is $2 million. Her earnings are remarkable for someone her age. This number takes into account not just her mining endeavors, but also her numerous commercial endeavors and current media appearances. In the mining community, Tyler Mahoney is still a well-known and powerful personality. Her qualifications as she progresses in her profession, seeking new opportunities and expanding her ventures, her charisma and pioneering spirit continue to inspire and influence people both within and outside the industry. With her track record, Tyler is undoubtedly just getting started, and the prospecting world is eagerly awaiting her next big discovery. Tyler stands as a testament to the enduring allure and challenge of gold mining, a field where history and innovation intersect in the hands of those bold enough to dig a little deeper. At the age of just 28, Tyler Mahoney, once a model who walked the runways and was featured in photo shoots, traded the glamour of city life for the gritty reality of gold mining, and an industry shrouded in both mystery and allure. Tyler has emerged as a modern icon of prospecting, challenging conventional wisdom and illuminating the darker, frequently hidden aspects of one of Australia's oldest industries. Born into a family of experienced prospectors in Western Australia, her journey, as described in her memoir Gold Digger, gives a raw, unedited insight into a world where the search for gold may frequently blur ethical lines and deepen societal differences. Tyler's mining education started in the rough outback, where weekends and school breaks were devoted to searching for gold. This early exposure not only sharpened her skills, but also cultivated a deep resilience cultivated during long days in remote, sometimes dangerous environments. By the time Tyler was 12 years old, she had experienced the kind of adventures that would shape her into a formidable figure in the mining community. Her memoir describes a childhood filled with the excitement of discovery and the harsh reality of growing up in a field that is dominated by men. Tyler's story is not just about the search for precious metal. It is also a devastating depiction of the discrimination and harassment that women experience in this difficult field, ranging from offensive remarks to downright dangerous interactions. Tyler's encounters reveal a troubling aspect of the gold mining industry. The difficulties started at an early age, as Tyler's unusual family occupation was frequently made fun of by her peers. However, Tyler's mother's example endured forever as she witnessed her deal with everyday sexism, which ranged from condescending attitudes to lewd comments. Tyler was raised with a strong awareness of the obstacles women faced, and as she grew older, she encountered both overt and covert biases that put her willpower to the test. Beyond personal anecdotes, Tyler's memoir delves into the larger cultural and societal issues that permeate the gold mining industry. She describes encounters with gold fever, a condition where the obsession with finding gold drives people to extreme measures, often at great personal and ethical cost. This fever affects prospectors and also creates a picture of a community that is constantly on the verge of moral and physical danger. When prospecting far from any town and taking a break during an expedition, Tyler's mother spotted a bush lurking near their camp. She quickly used a two-way radio and called for help to prevent what could have escalated into a violent encounter. This was one particularly terrifying incident involving Tyler's mother and her sisters. These kinds of tales are frequent in Tyler's novels, demonstrating the ongoing caution necessary in such isolated places. According to Tyler, these accounts only scratch the surface of the danger and discrimination she and other women have experienced. A whole book could be written about it. Her experiences highlight a TR reality. Although the world of gold mining is filled with tales of wealth and adventure, it also conceals serious problems that need to be addressed and changed through her book and public appearances. Tyler Mahoney is now a voice for change in addition to being the gold prospector. Beyond just a change in career, her challenge to the industry to change from a model to a miner is a call to action, a reminder that beneath the idealized image of gold mining lies a reality full of difficulties that require bravery, resiliency, and most importantly, a demand for equality and respect, as Tyler Mahoney is still breaking new ground in the gold mining profession. Her talent and drive are evident, and the fact that she can push beyond the limits of both her rough and tumble prospecting environment and her previous modeling career says volumes about her adaptability and strength. Tyler's support of women equality in this difficult business, along with her services to the mining community, consider her a truly inspirational person. In addition to sharing her terrifying experiences, Gold Digger also acts as a guide for future miners, particularly women who want to overcome the barriers and change the traditionally male-dominated industry. Fans of Tyler and Gold Rush are certainly excited to see more of her in upcoming episodes. Tyler's tale inspires others to pursue their goals with strength and integrity despite the hurdles. Her appearance on the program gives viewers a new and deeper perspective on the true struggles and successes of gold mining. We eagerly anticipate Tyler Mahoney's continued success on Gold Rush, where her knowledge and skill will continue to inspire audiences. Endurance and a spirit of pioneering her adventure is far from
Oh, really? Yeah. Move over here. Right, where is he? Across all the clods. I reckon that's him. Oh. A sunbaker or something, because I've just kicked it sideways with my foot. So, let's see. Oh, come off of there.